5G technology represents the fifth generation of wireless communication, offering faster speeds, lower latency, and increased capacity compared to previous generations. 5G is designed to deliver higher data speeds, ultra-low latency, increased reliability, and better efficiency. 5G can provide data rates of up to 10 GB per second, significantly faster than 4G. 5G has latency rates as low as 1 millisecond, enabling real-time data transmission. 5G can support up to 1 million connected devices per square kilometer, essential for IoT applications. 5G uses a broader spectrum of radio frequencies, allowing it to handle more data simultaneously. 5G enhances speed, reduces latency, and supports a wider range of applications, including IoT, edge computing, and high-definition streaming. With speeds up to 100 times faster than 4G, 5G allows users to download large files in seconds. 5G supports uninterrupted streaming of 4K and even 8K video content on mobile devices. Gamers benefit from faster downloads and smoother online play, especially with cloud gaming services that require real-time processing. The low latency of 5G makes real-time applications possible, enabling technology that relies on instantaneous feedback, such as augmented reality and virtual reality (VR). 5G can connect up to 1 million devices per square kilometer, supporting the growth of the Internet of Things (IoT). 5G can handle more users and devices simultaneously, providing reliable connectivity in densely populated areas. 5G's advanced network design and security protocols make it more reliable and secure than previous generations.